Should be good.
Okay, so this is the tank that I'm going to be using for the gray water tank. I got this one from Class A Customs and it's 38 gallons. To meet our health code requirements, the tank has to be 15% larger capacity than the freshwater. So that's why we went with 38 gallons here, because my freshwater is 30.7. So that's plenty of capacity for it. We're gonna install a gate valve on the end here to drain it. I'm gonna put a vent up here to vent the tank, and then we've actually I've already marked my inlet hole here, so I'm gonna drill this out and then put my inlet pipe in here, and that's for the drains for the sink, and the 3-compartment sink, the hand wash sink, and our mop sink are all gonna go into this inlet valve here. To get this mounted up under the trailer, this flange will actually fit right into the lip of the frame underneath the trailer, and then on the other side I'm gonna cut steel brackets that will bolt in to the frame on the other side, and then it will kind of just hold this up like that. I think I'm gonna put 4 or 5 of them of those brackets along here, and then if it ever needs removed, those brackets could just be unbolted and then the tank can be dropped. So yeah, should hold in there pretty good with the frame of the trailer supporting it. And there we go. Now our 1.5 inch pipe will slide in here, and that's what will create the seal. So for the vent, I'm just going to install this uniseal here and mount our vent pipe on top of the tank, and then just run it out to the back of the tank where it's drained. Some health code requirements require you to vent it out above the roof of the trailer. Ours don't. This is going to be directed towards the back, so it's not going to be vented at the front of the trailer here where the customers are. It's going to go out the back. If there are any foul odors, then it'll go that way. Here's a look at the mounting brackets. As you can see, I've got this bolted to the frame, and these just turn in, and I'll tighten these bolts up, and that'll hold this lip. I've got 4 of them going down the side of the tank here. And on the other side, the tank is mounted to the frame. So the frame actually has a flange coming in that our gray water tank flange fit right into. So we got that hanging in there. Should be very secure. Next, this is the drain pipe out of our mop sink. And this is a HEPVO valve to prevent any kind of backflow. And then next we're going to connect that down there to our main drain pipe, and then that's going to enter the side of the tank there. Okay, this is our gate valve for the gray tank. We got to put an extension pipe on here before we can connect it to the tank, so that's what we're gonna do here.
Okay, there we got our valve installed for our gray tank. We've got it all mounted up. All of our brackets tightened down, nice and secure. On this side, we've got our inlet, the main drain pipe going up into our sinks, then over to our mop sink. So we got all those connected. That's our freshwater tank drain. There we have it. This has a cap. It's got attachments on here to where you can put on a hose when you're dumping, and then you just pull the valve. Hope you liked the video. If you're installing a black tank or gray tank on your camper conversion or food trailer, hopefully this helps you out. Stay tuned for the next one. Should be good.